How to fix no sound from YouTube videos on Windows. You can see that my music is playing, but there is no sound. We will try to solve this problem now. First, we will check if your computer volume is correct. Many times the browser sound is mute. You should check if your browser sound is mute. If it is mute, unmute it. Then you will need to choose your speaker from your settings. If you have multiple speakers, then choose the one that is right for you. Then click Start button and type the text you see on the screen. Then open the software. After opening it, check carefully whether the speaker icon from the browser you are using is mute. If it is mute, unmute it. Last method, click on the Start button, then type Service. After opening the service, you will find the Windows Audio option. Right click on the Windows Audio option and click the Restart option. Now checking in on YouTube to see if your sound is working properly. If anyone has any problem, please tell me your problem in the comments and I will try to solve it. Thanks for watching.